Welcome to Learn, your gateway to knowledge. Must like, comment and subscribe. Subject COMA Computer Application according to the syllabus provided by Wbchse Semester 3 Part 4. Must like, comment and subscribe. Introduction. In this unit you will learn about Python programming flow of control. Flow of control means the order in which statements are executed in a program. Must like, comment and subscribe. Students, we have to learn about different types of flow of control. There are three types of flow of control in Python. Number one, sequential flow. Number two, conditional flow. Number three, iterative flow. Before learn about flow of control, we have to learn about indentation first. Use of indentation. Indentation is very important in Python. Python uses indentation spaces at the beginning of a line to define blocks of code. Unlike other languages like C, Java that uses curly braces, Python uses indentation. For example, if 5 greater than 2 colon print 5 is greater. Here indentation or space is already given before print statement. For a wrong indentation, for example, if 5 greater than 2 colon print 5 is greater, here indentation is not given, it will provide indentation error. That implies we must use at least one space or maximum 4 spaces. Sequential flow. In sequential flow, statements execute one after another in order. For example, print start, print learning Python, print end. Execution of order: start, then learning Python, then end. This is the default flow. Conditional flow or decision making statement. Conditional flow is used when we want to execute code based on a condition. Python provides 4 types of conditional flow. Number 1, if statement or simple if. Number 2, if else statement. Number 3, if else statement. Number 4, nested if statement. If or simple if statement. Definition: the if statement executes a block of code only if the condition is true. Syntax: if condition colon statements. If the condition is false, the block is skipped. For example, a is equal to 20. If a is greater than equal to 18 colon print you are eligible to vote. If condition is true, message is printed. If condition is false, nothing happens. Advantages: simple and easy to understand, useful for single condition checking, improves decision making ability in programs. Disadvantages: cannot handle alternative case directly. If condition is false, no action is taken. If else statement. Definition: the if else statement executes one block if condition is true and another block if it is false. Syntax: if condition colon statement 1 or true block, else colon statement 2 or false block. For example, a is equal to 16. If a is greater than equal to 18 colon print eligible to vote, else print not eligible to vote. Here final output will be not eligible to vote. Advantages: handles both true and false cases, makes programs more complete, easy to implement binary decisions. Disadvantages: not suitable for multiple conditions, code becomes lengthy for complex logic. If else statement. Definition: used when we need to check multiple conditions. Elif means else if. Syntax: if condition 1 colon statement 1, elif condition 2 colon statement 2 elif condition n colon statement n, else colon statement 4. Python checks conditions from top to bottom. The first true condition executes and the rest are skipped. For example, largest among three numbers, a equal to 10, b equal to 25, c equal to 15. If a greater than b and a greater than c colon, print a is largest. If b greater than c colon, print b is largest. Else colon, print c is largest. Advantages: handles multiple conditions, organized and readable, avoids deep nested if statement, efficient decision making. Disadvantages: becomes complex if too many conditions, execution slows slightly with many checks, order of condition must be correct. Nested if statement. Definition: a nested if means an if statement inside another if statement. It is used when a condition depends on another condition. Syntax: here we can use it in any types of it, simple if or if else or if elif statement. Here syntax is given on simple if only. If condition 1 colon, if condition 2 colon statement. For example, num equal to 10 if num greater than equal to 0 colon, if num %2 equal to 0 colon, print positive even number. Final output will be positive even number. Advantages: helps checking multiple dependent conditions, make logical decisions step by step. Disadvantages: too many nested if can make code complex, hard to read if deeply nested. Student, you can see a comparison table between four types of if statement. Iterative flow or loops. Iterative flow means repeating a block of code multiple times. Python provides two types of iterative flow. Number one, for loop. Number two, while loop. It also provides range function, break statement, continue statement, and nested loops. For loop. We already know that iterative flow means repeating a block of code multiple times. Definition of for loop. The for loop is used to repeat a block of code a fixed number of times or to iterate over a sequence like list, string, range, etc. Syntax: for variable in sequence colon statements. For example, for I in range 3 colon, print I. Final output will be 1 from 0 to 2 value 0, 1, 2. We need to know about range function. Range generates a sequence of numbers. Forms of range. Number 1, range stop. Number 2, range start, stop. Number 3, range start, stop, step. For example 1, for I in range I, 6 colon, print I. It will print value from I equal to 1 to I equal to 5. Final output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Example 2, using step value. For I in range 0, 10, 2. It will print from 0 to 9, skipping 2 positions. Final output will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Advantages of for loop: easy to use best when number of repetition is known, cleaner and shorter code, works well with sequences. Disadvantages of for loop: not suitable when number of repetition is unknown, less flexible than while loop. While loop. Definition: the while loop repeats code as long as the condition is true. Syntax: while condition colon statements. For example, x equal to 1 while x less than equal to 5 colon, print x, x plus equal to 1. Here x plus equal to 1 is used to iterate loop variable by 1 until it met the condition. Final output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Advantages: useful when number of repetitions or iteration is known, flexible and powerful, can create infinite loop intentionally. Disadvantages: risks of infinite loop, more chances of logical error, slightly harder for beginner. Here is a comparison table between for and while. We must follow this table. Break statement. Definition: break immediately terminates the loop. For example, for I in range 5 colon, if I equal to 3, break, print I. It will print value from 0 to 2 only. When I equal to 3, it will break the loop. Advantages: stops loop early, improves efficiency, useful in searching operations. Disadvantages: can reduce readability if overused. Continue statement or jumping statement. Definition: continue skips the current iteration and moves to the next iteration. As for example, for I in range 5 colon, if I equal to 3 colon, continue print I. It will print value from 0 to 4, skipping value I equal to 3. Final output will be 0, 1, 2, 4. Advantages: skips unwanted values, makes filtering easier. Disadvantages: can make logic confusing if misused. Here is a comparison between break and continue. You can see. Nested loop. Definition: a loop inside another loop is called a nested loop. Example 1, for loop: for I in range 1, 4 colon, for j in range 1, 4 colon, print I, star, j, equal to, I star j. It will print a multiplication table from 1 to 3. Final output will be 1 star 1 equal to 1, 1 star 2 equal to 2, 1 star 3 equal to 3. Next line, 2 star 1 equal to 2, 2 star 2 equal to 4, 2 star 3 equal to 6. And the next line, 3 star 1 equal to 3, 3 star 2 equal to 6, 3 star 3 equal to 9. Next, while loop: I equal to 1 while I less than equal to 3 colon, j equal to 1 while j less than equal to 3 colon, print I, j, j plus equal to 1, I plus equal to 1. It will provide output 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and the last line 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Example 3, mixed: for I in range 1, 4, j equal to 1 while j less than equal to 3 colon, print ij, j equal to 1. It will provide same output as example 2. Advantages: useful when pattern printing, helpful in matrix operation, useful in tables and grids. Disadvantages: increases complexity, slower execution, harder to debug, can make logic confusing if misused. Infinite loop. Definition: an infinite loop runs forever because the condition never becomes false. Example 1, using while loop: while true, print hello. It will print infinite number of hello. This loop runs endlessly until manually stopped. Example 2, logical mistake accidental infinite loop: for I equal to 1, while I less than equal to 5 colon print I. It will print 1 1 1 1 1 because here iteration not used for variable I. Here I is never increased, so condition is always true. Example 3, using for import iter tools for I in iter tools.count colon print I. This video helps even one person. I'll be more encouraged and will continue making more videos. If there are any unintentional mistakes, I'll gladly accept your valuable feedback. I'll try to provide various topic-based videos related to computers following the higher secondary syllabus in both English and Bengali. Best wishes to all students and heartfelt thanks to everyone else. Must like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Must like, comment and subscribe.